So over the past year, I've been going through my house one by one, installing new things like smart light switches and smart plugs of some type. Now I want to do one in the kitchen down here in the corner, and I'm excited about this because it's going to be one of these new Leviton ones. It's going to be a sexy unboxing here. I don't know if they've ever had an unboxing of a little smart plug like this, or a charging plug. This is a duplex charging plug. It's got the 2 outlets like normal, but you can see here it's also got the 2 USB-C charging ports as well. So that's the new standard as far as, see if I can get the one here, that all the devices are basically using. It's a reversible plug. All the new Android phones are using it, even the new Apple iPad Pros using it, and of course a lot of the new notebooks as well. What I like about this one though is that it also is capable of doing 30-watt charging. Why is that important?
Probably because of your laptop.
Yes, so typically with laptops, you have to have the little charger with it as well. This is a MacBook Air charger for the MacBook Air here, and to juice it up, you've got to plug this in the wall. With this baby, presto gazinga, I don't need that stupid charger anymore. I can just plug it straight into here, and then the other side, I can plug it into the MacBook, which is great. And you have to be careful because there's a lot of these types of chargers out here, but they don't have the 30-watt capability. So we're going to have John actually install it here. Maybe a caveat before we go.
Yes, this is definitely a fairly easy thing you could do yourself, but if you're remotely scared of electricity or are unsure of the power requirements in your house, you can get an electrician. But I think it's one of the easiest things that you can probably do for yourself, and it only takes a couple minutes. So we're going to walk through the whole process right now.
So one thing you want to check, a couple things, obviously we have to turn the power off, which we'll do in a second, but we're finding with a lot of these new smarter receptacles that got the USB chargers and smart plugs, the box inside of here is bigger. So you got to make sure that your wall is able to handle it.
Yes, we tried to do this in Mike's kitchen, and his panel, or his box on the wall, was just a little bit too small, too tight, and he had some tile around it. So you won't be able to put these everywhere you want unless you have a brand new house that is got nice big boxes for all these outlets. But we think we found a good one for this in the kitchen here.
Okay, so the first thing, I'm going to go turn the power out. And so you yell when it's out. Okay, there we go.
All right, so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to take off this wall plate, which is pretty straightforward. Just a couple spins of the screwdriver. And then underneath, we have a little bit more involved and heavier screws, so we need a little bit beefier screwdriver to take this out. So it's about to come off. And there we go. There we go. Okay, Mike, we've upgraded your old receptacle to the new fancy Leviton.
I can't believe I had that in my wall for so many years. That it's like ancient.
It is.
Okay, so this is the big moment of truth, right? Because now we don't have the wall adapter anymore. The cable's going directly into the outlet, the Leviton outlet. Does it work? Power! It works! So that's an important thing. Again, this is one from Leviton that we're using. It's a power receptacle that has the 2 USB ports for charging, but you got to make sure that they're capable of supporting 30 watts of power, which would be the minimum.
Yeah, but as we showed when I plugged in my Android phone, it actually has fast charging as well. So if you have a newer model phone, you'll actually get a much quicker charge.
Very cool. Again, from Leviton, the 30-watt USB-C charger. Check it out.